Hi, hello everyone. So today question is, have you ever faced rejection or been told that you could not do something? How did you respond? దిస్ క్వశ్చన్ మీన్స్ ఎవరైనా మిమ్మల్ని చిన్న చూపు చూసినప్పుడు లేకపోతే మీరు చెయ్యలేరు అని మిమ్మల్ని రిజెక్ట్ చేసినప్పుడు మీరు ఎలా ఫీల్ అవుతారు, ఎలా రెస్పాండ్ అవుతారు? My answer is, this is only example, not real, okay? Sometimes my husband asks me, why are you learning English? Why do you spend so much time on your phone instead of take care of our health and our family? What is the use of improving your communication skills? You will do what you do. What will you do in the future with them? So you are going to stay at home and take care of our family. So what is the use? Sometimes, whenever I hear these kind of words, I feel demotivated and underconfident. This type of criticism, we never like it, right? So it very bad. So instead of responding immediately, I started thinking, why is my husband saying like these type of words? Am I making any mistakes? Am I not taking care of my family? So I decided, um, first I have to strike a balance between both, like family as well as my myself. Myself means improving my communication skills. So everyone knows first priority is family, take care of family, then focus on ourselves, right? So that's all, and I strongly believe that whenever someone, not sorry, I wrote down, listen carefully. I believe that whenever a door seems closed, whenever the door seems closed, we need the courage to knock again. టు నాక్ అగైన్ మీన్స్ ఒక అవకాశం మనకి దొరకలేదని అనిపించినప్పుడు నిరాశ చెందకుండా మళ్ళీ ప్రయత్నించే ధైర్యం మనకి ఉండాలి. I repeat again, I believe that whenever a door seems closed, we need the courage to knock again. Knock again means మళ్ళీ ప్రయత్నం చేయాలి. సో ఒక అవకాశం మనకి దొరకలేదని అనిపించినప్పుడు నిరాశ చెందకుండా మళ్ళీ ప్రయత్నించే ధైర్యం మనకి ఉండాలి. దట్స్ ఆల్ టుడే. థ్యాంక్ యూ ఫర్ వాచింగ్.